Another fucking loss, y'all. So I got at 10:30. I should have got on at fucking 10:15 because we dumped. I got in at 10:30. We came. I was obviously on the 30-minute and the 15-minute charts. I'm like, oh, we can go to this low. But once I switched to the 4-hour chart, we had a 4-hour fair value gap that we wanted bouncing out of. So as you see, my take profit was down here. The 4-hour fair value gap is up there. We already tested it once. So I'm like, okay, we're going to invert to go to here. No, and then it stopped me out just to just still be in the trade technically. It is a Friday, but so the challenge is over. Sorry, y'all. I'm done trading futures for now. I think maybe forever. Prop firms. I was trading options so well, and I got greedy and was like, I'm gonna do prop firms, and went to forex and futures, and I haven't been knowing peace ever since because with options I could just get in at 9:30 even hold to this big move here and still OTD, you know what I'm saying? Long as it's not super choppy. So that's what I'm going to do actually. I actually was at the gym and I made a thingy already for it. So let's load it. And we're gonna do a 4. We can close MES because I'm gonna trade SB. I'm a paper trade it though. We always paper trade first. Now I know a lot of the people who get those big gains that I like to see. It is very much. It's actually no. Let's do 30-minute. It's very much the end of the day. A lot of the times, I don't think you need a 4-hour for SPX because it really doesn't show much. Okay, so here, see, we boom. 1. Is this today? No, it's Thursday. It's yesterday. So yesterday we came up at 9:30. Boom, we continue higher. Yeah, there are 2 hours at like 9:30, 11:30. So you could trade at 11:30. However, yesterday if you got on at like 11:30 I guess is really the time to trade it. 11:30. No, if you got an 11 though. 11 we did that reversal. Or catching this decent move and the last 30 minutes of the market, these bigger, it don't have to be that big of a move, basically like a decent candle like this, where we went down 40 points. And so the last 30 minutes, because the market closes at 4, like big moves at the last minute are gonna get those big returns. So I'm thinking about only trading at 3, or I'm gonna look and see how I feel about, maybe still trading at 10 and just catching the big moves, 132, 30, 3. This is a 330 candle. Here's a big candle. Yeah, it's 9:30 to 2:30. But if you caught the bottom, 10:30 and rolled it up. But still, all the pressure came in that last 30 minutes. See what I'm saying? So I thought about just trading the last 30 minutes of the day. Didn't do much here. This was a day to catch it at 1. But like really just trading the afternoons maybe. You still got a 9:30. You got a nice downward if you wanted it. But you're going to get more OTE at the end of the day. So we're going to see. I'm going to back test it. Not back test. I mean, I probably should back test. But it's hard because I can back test on TradingView, I'm pretty sure. I canceled my FX replay because it was just FX and futures. So I want to be able to look at options, obviously, as well. But see, we came here, 9:30, 10:30, boom. And then at 3:30, not much. So it just depends. It's still kind of looking like 10 o'clock. Still kind of looking like 10 o'clock. 9:30, 9:45, 10, boom, 11 of this day. Today, this was yesterday, that 3:30 candle. Last 30 minutes of the market. And then today we had, 10, 10:15. So it's really probably trading the 15-minute and 30-minute charts. Jesus, they're doing renovations in the master bedroom. So yeah, we're gonna see, but we are going to see. I think I do like the 15-minute the best. I'm not even gonna lie. Today 9:30, 10 to 10:30. Yeah, maybe we do that. Maybe we do this. The 9 and the 30-minute. I mean, the 15 and the 30-minute. Should be enough to see. It says a short day. So, short day. So, I'm paper trade that. I'll still update y'all every day and daily. We'll be paper trading, so no risk. And getting our bearings if we want to trade just the afternoon at 3 or still trading at like 10. You know? Or 10:15. I was going to get on at 10:15 if I kept trading futures, so it would have been 10:15 anyway. And boom, 3:30. Which is this day we just chopped all day. Except for 3:30. And then if I do 3:30, it's like a 30-minute trade every day. Not even. You have to close before 4 o'clock. So it's like a 20-minute trade max. And some days you might not make anything. You might lose like $10, $20. But then some days you'll make 1,000%. Like I said, like, you know, like Lex. That's what she mostly trades. She says she trades whenever her setup comes. But when I've been paying attention to her, it is a lot of 3 p.m. Okay. Now, today it was at 10 o'clock. It was at 10 today. But she didn't show her risk to reward. You know what I'm saying? When she shows that 1,000%, it's usually the last 30 minutes of the day. Every time she shows those fat percents, it's usually the last hour of the day. Last 30 minutes, hour of the day. When my friend turned in 25 to 1,000, it was at 3 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? So I might only trade that, and then the home runs just make up for it, like 8,000%. I mean, $8,000. This was like a 350 flip to $8,000, which is literally insane. And see, it was really just this last candle. I remember this day specifically. And it was a beautiful day. Yeah, and then someone else on her comments was like, yeah, I traded the last, yeah, see this 12,000%, like 340 in one trade. That's what they do. That's what I'm trying to do. So, actually, let me link this PDF so I can get it. But yeah, so it sucks, but it's part of the journey. Gotta record 6 videos of TikTok Shop today, so I'm about to go shower. Just got back from the gym and record that because that has been making me consistent money, and I don't have to lose money to do it anymore. I don't have to buy anything. I'm getting all these are samples I got, and some of these are viral products. Like this is a viral product sample I got. This is not a viral brand, but the NAD supplement. So I was like, that's what they say to do. Like if one brand's going viral, just find a similar brand and do it. This is not a viral brand. This is just chafing cream that I wanted. They have a lung detox tea going viral, but I'm like, this has sold a good bit, so I'm going to try those videos on that. Then we know the collagen peptides are going viral, but we have Red Velvet Cake collagen from First Form. And then I ordered the neck massager that they approved, which is great. This is kind of viral, the perfume. But now I'm getting products that are actually like, the power bank, the main one I was telling y'all about. The power bank that I went viral plenty of times. I bought it on Amazon. I returned it, and then they sent me one now. So I'm doing a bunch of those videos. So I have like videos of things I actually want to keep making videos on. And I can do conspiracy for this. I've been doing conspiracy for this because I keep getting flagged when I show weight loss. Like all the girls keep doing weight loss and they don't get flagged. But when I do it, it's flagged. So I've been doing conspiracy, like the same video for Neurogum because this has the same ingredients as Neurogum. I'll just use the same script. And it hasn't worked yet, but whatever. And then collagen peptide that's gone viral. I'm using that for this. And then obviously I can just use the real viral videos for this. And then the conspiracy NAD videos, I'm about to make one right now for this. So I'm really spamming conspiracy. It has not really been working. I finally got a viral video copying one of the skinny girls who just like show their stomach and put words on the screen with music. That's at like 50K right now, and it's made like $100. So I spammed a few more of those. I put one with my picture in it before, and it got spammed. So I did 2 more with my picture in it with different words on the screen. We'll see how they go. And yeah, so I'll see y'all next week for options. The end of the journey is here, I think, for now. And I'm sorry. Don't get discouraged like me. You can keep going and doing what you gotta do. I'm just not doing it for now.